Okay, a little update. I've been wanting to paint this. I've decided to do the outside first so I can have some motivation to start working on the inside because the outside just looks so bad. I don't have any motivation. But get these fenders off because they're here. Get the fenders off because I don't want them. I'm gonna do some aftermarket ones later, or I might just keep them like this. I like the look like this. I don't like the Cherokee look. I've been having difficulties with them. This is the first one I got off. Every bolt broke. I'm also gonna take this off because it's leaning. It just looks old. This is the one I'm having a hard time with because the interior here, I don't know, like it got bent in. I'll show some pictures. It got bent in somehow. I don't know if it was a fire. I don't know what happened over here, but it got bent in. So this is holding us back from moving forward from sanding and painting. But that is what's next after I get these off. So let's just look at everything here. And I also want to take this bumper off, but I may just keep it and black it out temporarily and take it off later because it's not that bad. But I just spent a lot of time getting these off and it was a lot. So the next plan after I sand and paint this is to do the interior. And I saw someone do something which I want to try because I do not want to pay for a welder. This is a budget build. This is just to get me back and forth A and B to my projects. They did a fiberglass resin situation here. I know you can't see, it's kind of dark, but they did a fiberglass resin for the holes in their car. I'm gonna see if that'll work for me. I have a couple holes I want to take care of. This is the big one, a small one here, one over there, and just see if that helps. So we'll go from there. Finish getting the rest of these off, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's late, but I got this out finally. Only thing I have left is this, and then of course I'll have to fill this in and get this together once I'm ready. But everything is good with this. The lighting is bad. See y'all in the next one once I'm sanding and filling up any imperfections that are like really bothering me. We'll go from there.